What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Nikki here, and in today's video I'm going to be going over the stocks that I bought today, literally minutes ago, specifically two great paying dividend stocks for my long-term dividend portfolio. So you guys, let's get it. Alright guys, so I did just make a video about two specific stocks that I have my eye on for the month of December. I will link that down in the first comment. I'll pin it up there on the top, so when you're done with this, you can check that out. And I did actually purchase one of those stocks today, in addition to a different one that's just a dividend GOAT. You really can't go wrong. And I really only had the budget for one small share of something after I purchased the bigger one. So this video is going to be very quick, so bear with me, but I did want you guys to know that a lot of you are already aware that I originally had my dividend portfolio in Robinhood. That was my broker that I was using, and I transferred that to E-Trade. And I've just been really missing Robinhood, but I'm very happy that my baby, my long-term dividend portfolio is safe in E-Trade, and I'm not changing it. I'm not upset, none of that. But I did reopen an account on Robinhood. So if for some reason you don't have an account yet out there and you've come across my video and you don't have a portfolio yet, you can go down in the description box below. There will be a link that you can go ahead and sign up with Robinhood. You get a free stock, I get a free stock, you get rich, I get rich, and that's just what it is. And by rich, I mean like $5 or $6 stock usually. But I did reopen another account on there. It currently has about $150 just sitting on it. I think what I'm going to do is focus on growth stocks and swing options on that account. So that is something that I'm going to be trying to grow, and I will be incorporating those updates on this channel as well. So if you have any growth stocks that you know, not like we really know, but you have a good feeling about, let me know down below in the comments, because I am going to start that account and keep y'all updated. So with all that jibba jabba out the way, let's go ahead and let's look at the two stocks that I added to my dividend portfolio today. Alright guys, so the first stock, one that I'd already mentioned in my prior video, is going to be McDonald's. You guys, I went ahead, I pulled the trigger on McDonald's because if you look here at this chart, it is down 1.5% today. It fell below the 210, 209 number from the last video, and in this chart you can see we're kind of on a little pullback here. So I wanted to take advantage of that and go ahead and add at least one more share to my portfolio. Now, I'm not going to sit here and talk too much about why I bought this. You can go ahead and check the other video for information on that and kind of why it was on my radar. So I'm not going to go into that, but I will show you currently where I'm at, what my average cost is. So if you look up here, McDonald's up here at the top, 207 price. It's down a little bit today. I'm total up about 35 bucks. You can see my total gain on all of it is 9.15%. I have now two shares at an average cost of $190.20. You can see the market value and a bunch of other information that doesn't really matter to me. I am extremely excited to add McDonald's back into the portfolio, and I'm very happy I was able to grab it on a little bit of a pullback. Who knows, it may go back more, it may not. It doesn't really matter. As a long-term investor, I'm really trying to buy the stocks that I want on red days. Today was a very good red day for McDonald's. That's kind of a weird thing to say. I guess there is such thing as a good red day if you are long-term. We like bear markets because we could just buy more at a discount. So, you know, that's besides the point. But super excited to finally get another share of McDonald's. And now, let's get into the next one. Now you guys, this next one isn't technically having a red day, but my average cost is higher than what it's currently trading at. So I am simply just trying to average cost my way down. And yeah, I mean, this company, you can't really go wrong dividend wise, and that is AT&T, you guys. So they're currently around the 29.70 mark. Their chart is pretty much sideways since March and this whole issue happened, but they are currently, like I said, under what my average is. So let's go ahead, let's check that out. If we go back here, you can see it down here, T, it's currently 29. I'm total down 44 bucks, total down about 7.6%. But you can see here I have 18 shares now at an average cost of $32.13. So as long as AT&T continues to trade under that $30 mark, I will continue to add 1 or 2 shares a month. I would like to get myself to 20 shares this month, so we will see how that goes. And I think just given where we're at right now with possible 5G really kind of taking over, and I made a video about that I will also link down in the first comment for you to check out if you want to, all about 5G, what it means and what you should invest in. But I think that is quite a move. I do think think new phones are coming out pretty much all the time. And I think between Verizon, AT&T, T-Mobile, those are kind of the top 3 competitors. You got Sprint and like Cricket, or I don't even know. But when I think telecommunications, I think AT&T, Verizon, and T-Mobile. So very solid company. But you guys, I'm really interested to know if you bought anything, if you got your eye on anything. So let me know down below. Also, please let me know about the other account and the trading stuff so your girl has video ideas. And if you are not subscribed here, please consider subscribing by hitting the envy in the bottom corner or that red subscribe button. Join the crew, join the journey. I post 2 videos a week on this channel all about money, finance, investing, stocks. I just enjoy making money, having a good ass time, and hanging out with every single one of you. So if you're into that, just consider subscribing. And you already know the drill with the likes, you guys. Please like the video so YouTube doesn't hate on your girl. And if you've made it this far, you are the real MVP. Come here, you know I love you. Your girl fogged that one up. Ooh. And like always, you guys, enjoy the journey, whatever your journey is. And always remember to do what sets your hearts on fire. And I better see y'all in my next video. Bye, guys.